heavy rain and a continued flood threat to even more people as we move further north. Want to show you this as well. Just got some new video in from Town Creek, North Carolina. Water there at record levels, overflowing highways, including US 17. Look at that. I mean, entire communities. It's up to the roof line of these homes. I mean, this is just absolutely devastating. You know, the joys of living near a river get so canceled out when you have an extreme event like this one. It's just so heartbreaking when you see entire homes in the water like that, and you just have to, you know, put yourself in the shoes of the people that live here, and hopefully they got out in time and weren't there needing rescue at the time. But my goodness, it's, you know, you say it's just stuff, but it's your stuff, and you hate to have to replace it all when you have an event like this one. We've also been looking in on Raleigh, North Carolina tonight. You still have some